Do you leave your meat thermometer in while you're cooking? And this is a question that I've seen a lot of people search for on Google and YouTube. And the quick answer to this question is that it depends on what kind of thermometer you have. You really need to make sure that you buy a thermometer that can actually withstand the heat and that is suitable to be used in a high cooking environment such as your oven or your grill. Now the personal favorite that I use is the ThermoPro TP20S. The main unit looks like this, and this is actually a wireless meat thermometer that you can, but the wired part, which is the second unit and the probe attached together with a wire, as you can see, and this is the part that you would then stick into the thick part of the meat, and then you leave this part sitting on the bench next to your grill or to your oven, or even on you can actually attach it like this, hanging on top on the handle of the oven or handle of a cupboard or whatever. And then you can make sure that it can stay in while cooking, because the cable is actually made of a stainless steel mesh, which means that it's very, it can withstand temperatures up to like 250 degrees Celsius, whatever that is in Fahrenheit, I don't know, but it's very hot anyway. And you can leave this in the whole time you're cooking. And as I said, it depends on the thermometer itself, but one of these thermometers is about 50 or 60 bucks, and it's well worth it because it will save your, any type of chicken breast or roast or turkey that you're cooking. It will never come out to dry if you use a proper thermometer that allows you to keep track on the inner temperature of whatever it is that you're cooking. And you can do that leaving this in because it is safe to use while cooking, and that's important to keep in mind. So you can leave it in while you're cooking, but it depends on the thermometer. And if you want to check this one out, I will leave a link to it in the description below. It's super basic and easy to use, but you still have plenty of settings that you can play around with. So if you have any questions about meat thermometers or this model in particular, make sure you leave them below, and I'll make a video about addressing that as soon as I can. And make sure you like the video and subscribe for more videos to come, and I'll see you guys in the next video.